Well, one of the challenges that we have is that our core systems in our specialty businesses are cobbled together and have been done over many years. And now is an opportunity for us to introduce a new system that will allow us to have once and done keying, reduce errors and omissions, and improve the quality of our work product and make it easier for our colleagues to do their jobs, which is focusing on clients. Whilst our clients expect a unique service, the fundamentals should be done as simply as possible. And with our current system suite, we can't do that. And that's why we're launching the Eclipse system, which will enable us to move to an operating model and a system that supports our business objectives and our client needs.
Eclipse is not just another piece of software. It goes beyond that. It will dramatically improve the way we do things. But that doesn't mean it's complex. On the contrary, it is a single, modern and highly flexible end-to-end business processing platform supporting the entire broking cycle from initial quote through to claim settlement. And it will be fully tested and tailored exactly to our business requirements.
This is a really exciting time for Marsh, and it's great that Sequel are involved in the development and the implementation of Eclipse. We've been working very closely with the programme team on the design, the development and the planned rollout. Some colleagues will already have first-hand knowledge as they've been helping to ensure that Eclipse is tailored to Marsh's requirements as part of the model office sessions that we've had in London, Whittam and Norwich.
Today, there are lots of instances where spreadsheets and standalone databases are being independently maintained by colleagues across the business. This makes reporting and analysis difficult and time-consuming. Eclipse will streamline and automate our core broking processes so that all our documents will be available online and from a single source.
The main benefit is that we can talk to a client or an underwriter and access the system at the same time and answer questions about premium or claims payments on the spot.
Good afternoon, Chris Newell.
Eclipse also provides complete visibility. This means one core record on one system with a clear line of sight for the life cycle of that record. We will be able to see where work is, who did what, and when. This in turn will give us accurate and meaningful management information. We will also have a single client view that can be broken down by business, geography, and business line, which will be invaluable to us as we grow. And it will enable us to report daily on ledger account balances by currency, with the option to filter by client or underwriter. At the moment, colleagues spend an enormous amount of effort maintaining records in different legacy systems and the general ledger. The automation between Eclipse and the GL will take away a huge amount of effort and hassle.
The main key benefit for Capita is the fact that it's an integrated system between claims and fiduciary and placement services, which helps to drive data integrity. Eclipse is a newer, faster, sleeker system, which hopefully will help to drive future performance.
But it isn't just about the data. Like other firms, we, the FSA and other regulatory bodies expect Marsh to improve its controls, security and compliance across the process chain. Eclipse does that for us. Also, our compliance and authorisation procedures will be embedded into the new system, resulting in fewer paper-based quality controls and audits. You may be thinking there must be some catch to Eclipse. Well, let's ask some of the colleagues who have already been using it for the past few months.
It gives you far more visibility into other areas of the system, more so than any of our other legacy systems have before. So you can see into the account side, the claims side, as well as the broking side.
Before we would receive a phone call from a client or an underwriter, we would have to then tell them we'd call them back later, get on the phone to someone up in Norwich, get the information from them, and then phone back the client or underwriter and give them the answer. There'll be quite a delay.
So the benefit to the client is they can come to us with all their questions and we can answer them from one touch point.
Now we can access the system whilst on the phone to a client or an underwriter, get the answer, we can answer questions about premium or claims status and give them the answer straight away.
It is completely different to the systems that we've got at the moment. However, given some training, I think that it will be quite easy to pick up.
I really do think this system will transform the way things are done for people at Marsh. simply having one rekeying system, one set of data and analytics that we can go to, reducing all the error and emission noise in the business, will allow us to focus on growing our business. It's really going to be that simple, but it will take a lot of hard work. I'm personally going to stay involved in this because it's so important to the business, and I know that the teams are going to keep me appraised to this, and we'll make sure that all the colleagues are supported with the training and the collateral that they need. And so I wanted to thank everybody that's involved in this project, really personally, for all of the hard work that there will be over the next couple of months, so we can make this a success, so we can get our growth momentum going and focus on our business with our clients.